Breaking news, everybody. This is your host, White Stikbot. And there's a tornado heading for Stikbot City. And if the tornado hits, about 60,000 Stikbots will die. So if I die, I hope I'll see you on the other side. So good luck surviving the tornado. I know this is the best hiding spot ever. I know, right, dude? Yeah, me too. Oh my gosh, the tornado's coming. Hide! Ah, no, what the fuck? Ah! Oh no, the tornado's gonna make the nuclear power plant explode and we're all gonna die. Hey, we need to leave this nuclear power plant right now. Yes, we all survived the tornado! Yay! Wait a second. It will take a long time for the city to be rebuilt because half of the city is now destroyed by that tornado. So I guess the city will be rebuilt in the next episode because of Stikbot logic. Oh, I get it now. Oh, anyways, time to end this video, though. Please don't end this video. No! No! No!